I hate my fridge. Do you know what it did to me the other day? Ah, the cold! Clean up my thing! Oh, the cold! Oh! Open up! Oh! Let me in! I just want a pizza! Oh! Canned soda, alright! No! It's empty! Rose, that was rude! Oh! That cream cheese is old! Ow! Ah! Ah! I've got my battle armor on! Ah! My eyes! Oh! You're not supposed to come till Tuesday! Ah! I just want a slice of pizza! Oh, look! Oh, finally! Maybe the fridge and I are on better terms now. At least I haven't seen that ugly mold monster anymore. Ah! Sorry, I missed. That pizza slice was delicious. I think I like my fridge again. Oh! Maybe that pizza was a little bit too old. I gotta find the bathroom. Ah!